Hello everyone, welcome to Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question, right? So according to the given information, we have to find out the equation, quadratic equation having the roots of alpha by beta and beta by alpha, and we are having the alpha plus beta equal to minus p and minus p and alpha cube plus beta cube equal to q guys, right? So now what is given? So alpha plus beta equal to minus p, right? And this is the equation first guys. And now another information is given, alpha cube plus beta cube equal to q, right? Are you getting my points guys? And this is the equation second. So now I am going to cubing equation first. After doing cube on equation first, and we can write here alpha plus beta whole cube is equal to minus p cube, right? And alpha plus beta cube equal to, we can write here alpha cube plus beta cube plus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta, right, is equal to minus p cube. Are you getting my points guys? Now we know that what is the value of alpha cube plus beta cube equal to, we can write here the cube, right? And 3 alpha beta equal to, we are having, we don't know what is the value of 3 alpha beta, and alpha plus beta equal to, we can write here the minus p, right? And it will become minus p cube equal to p cube, right? Are you getting my points guys? Now we can write here the we can find out the alpha into beta. So alpha into beta equal to, we can write here the minus p cube, and after sending it will minus 3p in the denominator, so we can write here the minus 3p. And when we take the minus as a common, and we can cancel out the symbol, so p cube plus q minus 3p, and minus get cancelled, and we can write here the pq plus q by 3p, right? Okay, are you getting my points? So this is the equation third guys, you can consider. And now we are having the roots of the equation, and we have to find out the roots of given equation. We have to find out the equation of given root guys. So what is the given? So alpha beta and beta alpha are the roots. So first of all we have to find out for the equation, for the finding the equation guys, because we must have what? We must have the sum of the roots, because we know that the general form of quadratic equation guys, general form of quadratic equation equal to x square minus sum of roots divided by product of root, right? So now I am going to find out the sum of roots, so it will become the alpha beta plus beta by alpha equal to, we can write here alpha square plus beta square, right? And now we can write here the alpha beta, and we can convert the alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta guys. Are you getting my points? So we can write here alpha plus beta whole square is equal to p square equal to, we can write here the p square minus 2 alpha beta is equal to, we can write here this term guys. So 2 into p cube plus q divided by 3p, right? and divided by, we can write once again A alpha beta is equal to PQ plus Q by 3P, right? And after taking the LCM, we can write here the term 3PQ minus 2PQ minus 2Q divided by 3P. Okay, and we can write here PQ plus Q by 3P, right? We can cancel the both the term 3P, and after cancelling we will get this term. And now we are going to find out the value of product of the roots, guys. So we can simply say that, you can simply say that the roots are reciprocal to each other, then the products of the root is equal to 1. So you can say that alpha by beta into beta by alpha is equal to 1, right? Because after cancelling you will get the value 1, right? So now I am going to find out the equation of the roots, equation of the given roots, guys. So x square, general form of quadratic equation when we are having the roots of the given equation, and x square minus sum of roots. So what will be the sum of roots, guys? So after subtracting you will get the value PQ minus 2Q divided by PQ plus Q plus Q into X plus 1 is equal to 0. And after taking the LCM you will get the equation PQ plus Q into X square minus PQ minus 2Q into X plus PQ plus Q is equal to 0. So I am going to check which option is correct. So PQ plus Q plus X square, and this is PQ plus QX. So first one is the incorrect, guys, and second one is a correct. So option B is a correct option, guys. So thank you.